Which one is correct? They want further information or they want farther information? You need to further your skills or you need to farther your skills? Hi, I am Aditya, your fun learning coach who's going to take you on a journey to become a confident communicator. So let's start our journey. In this course video, we are going to talk about further versus farther. First, let's talk about farther. The word farther is used for physical distance. For example, how farther is it to the airport? This means how long will it take to get to the airport? And now let's talk about further. The word further is used for figurative distance, which means the distance between two ideas or two imaginary objects. For example, Sneha's attention is moving further away from studies. In this example, the word further shows the figurative distance between Sneha's attention and her studies. The word further also means additional to what already exists. For example, Seema needs to research further on her project. This means Seema needs to do additional research on her project. The word further is also used as a verb, which means to advance something or to help something to succeed. For example, Rahul is working hard to further his career. This means Rahul is working hard to advance or succeed his career. Now you try and tell which one is correct. They want further information or they want farther information? Yes, they want further information is the correct sentence, which means they want additional or more information. Now let's try another one. You need to further your skills or you need to farther your skills? Yes, you need to further your skills is the correct sentence, which means you need to advance your skills. Time to practice what we have learned today. Choose the correct option in the given sentences. You can pause the screen and answer it. These are the correct answers on your screen. You can check your answers. So this was the difference between farther and further. I hope you will not make these mistakes again. Similarly, there are many other common mistakes which we make. Want to know about them? Then you should watch my next course video. Till then, keep learning and keep shining. To start speaking with confidence, download the PlanetSpark app. The link is in the description below.